A very good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all are doing good and stay safe at home. Today you have a MS class. In this MS class, already we completed 6 chapters. Now we will learn about the 7th chapter, A True Friend. A True Friend. So some part was be completed. So last previous class what we learned? This is a small story. Okay, this is the small story. Uh, how many characters are there? There is a 4 characters. What are the lion, fox, cheetah and vulture? They are lived in forest. So who was the king of the forest? Lion is the king of the forest. We know very well. So it was became very old. Lion was became very old. So a fox and cheetah vulture remained close to the lion. So these three animals are very close to the lion. The lion also considered them as members in their court, royal court. Their royal court. So the lion often sought their advice. The lion also taking their advices. They helped the lion find his meal. So those three are helped to getting the meal also. After eating the meal, the lion would let his friends so eat this also. Eat the left of the meal, left over the food. So the fox, the vulture and cheetah were happy because of the lion giving to us food, so they will be very happy. But as days went by, they started to hate the lion. Why? Because it will be became very old. He was too bossy. Okay, they felt he was too bossy and they felt. So secretly the cheetah and fox, the vulture, so those three are discussed. What they discussed, so it is became very old, it is so bossy. So now what we would do? Because of cheetah thought he would make a better king. Cheetah thought he would make a better king. The fox also thought he was the most intelligent. I am the intelligent fellow. The fox was thought. Next one could be the king. The vulture felt he was best suited to be the king. He was the best suited to be the king of the forest because of he could be fly. Vulture is fly. So I will be the king of the forest. Okay, he thought. So they thought of a plan. First of all, we kill the lion. After whoever the king of the forest, we will decide it. Okay. So one day the fox said to the lion. Your Majesty, camel's meat is the very tastiest. The cheetah said. So there are camels in the nearby desert. The vulture can show the way of. So you the way. So the lion next. So this is enough. This page was enough. So turn the page number 23. Please open your textbook. Here I will read, after all I will explain. The lion set out in the direction in which the vulture flew. So vulture was flying that the way lion was set out the direction. The cheetah and the fox also followed the lion. They reached the desert. Finally they reached the desert. The lion felt the heat of the desert. The lion was felt, so he couldn't getting heat. So much of heat is there in a desert. So we can't walk, we can't run. So it's animals also they can't be run. Only one animal can be walk. What the animal? Camel is desert animal. Okay, he was thirsty and there was no water. He means lion. Lion was very thirsty and there was no water. So the fox, the cheetah and the vulture. The fox, the cheetah and vulture saw that the lion was very tired. That the lion was very tired. See, this picture you can see. So this is not a walk. Lion was not walking anymore. So both three are cheetah and fox and vulture. The three are thinking. Okay, saw that the lion was very tired. He can't walk anymore. They knew he would die in the heat. They are thinking. He would be lion was died. Okay, their mouths watered. Their mouths was very watered because of thinking of eating the animal lion. Thinking of eating the lion. Of course, secretly each of them wanted to be king of the forest also. Two mainly thoughts are there. First of all, if lion was died, we will be eat the lion. Second one, secretly each of them wanted to become the king of the forest. So then the vulture said, after that vulture said, I see a camel. Vulture said to the lion, I see a camel. Let me bring him to you. Let me bring him to you, O Majesty. So the lion said, quick, hurry and bring the camel. So you have to go quick. You have to bring the camel. Okay. The vulture said to the camel. After that, the vulture will be went to the camel and the vulture said to the camel. What he said to the camel? Read it. The king of the forest requests you to become his prime minister. So what he said? The king of the forest. Who is the king of the forest? Lion is the king of the forest. Requests you to become his prime minister. Become his prime minister. So I can't come to the forest, said the camel. So camel was rejected. I can't come to the camel. I can't come to the forest. Why I came? So said the camel. So reject that agreement. So oh no, the king has come to the desert. But king was come to the desert because of you. He doesn't take no for an answer. He doesn't take no for an answer. Don't say to no. You will be come. You must come to the king. So the camel set out in the direction of the lion. The camel set out in the direction of the lion. The vulture whispered in the ear of the lion. The vulture whispered. Whispered means slowly talking about the camel, what in the ear of the lion. So, Your Majesty, I have told to the camel that you want him to be your prime minister. That you want him to be your prime minister. So, speak as if you want him to be the prime minister. Okay, prime minister. When he becomes confident, he will come near you and you can eat him. When he becomes confident, he will come. Who? Camel will come near you and you can eat him and you can be eat him. The lion said to the camel, I want you to be my prime minister. The lion said to the camel, I want you to be my prime minister, but before that I want to eat my meal. Before that I want to eat my meal. Who said? Camel said. So this is enough for today. Read the lesson twice. Okay, we have to understood everything what they asked in this story. Okay, Hoover became the king of the forest. Okay, okay, bye. Bye everyone, take care about yourself. Bye.